Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to use swipe keyboard on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that, let's just open any messages application installed on the watch. I'm gonna use my digital crown to open the list of apps and here select messages, for example. Now let's choose a person. I'm gonna choose my friend Cassie, and here we just need to tap on this open space in iMessage. Now we just need to select this icon with hands and swipes, and now we can just draw something in this open black space and it will be transformed to a text here in this iMessage tab. Let me show you. I'm just gonna draw this hi, and you can see how it transformed to the text. If you need space, you can just click this space button and continue drawing, so it will be transformed to the text. When you are done, you just need to click this send button and it will be immediately sent. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.